What's up, y'all? It's ACV. How y'all doing? Y'all doing good? I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. So today, y'all, we going to be doing something a little different than your average gaming video that you see on my channel. We gonna be trolling people on Monkey. So without further ado, turn your TVs on, volume all the way up, sit back, and enjoy the show. Also, y'all, I forgot to mention the objective for me trolling girls on Monkey is gonna be my homie gonna text me some out of pocket. I mean, the most out of pocket thing you could think of to say to the girls. That's the objective. So by the end of this, you're probably gonna be laughing and wondering why. Why? But other than that, enjoy. Peace. Hello?
Oh my god, you look white but black.
I look what?
You look like that boy that's black but like he acts white as hell.
I ain't gonna
You're
lie.
built like him.
I'm gonna keep it about fuck all that other shit that you gotta say. I'm trying to see some feet shit. What you want?
What?
I'm trying to see some feet shit.
Well, I just took a screenshot. You're going on Instagram.
Oh yeah. Yo, no, it's right.
Weed killing my lungs talking.
I'm not gonna lie. You look like a dead cockroach. That
You
sprayed
look like
with
a
rain
healthy
yesterday.
crackhead.
Damn, you look like a dead cockroach. Fuck.
You.
God, leave my nigga.
I'm gonna get like my
Hello?
hair clipped. This is so crazy. Hi.
Yo, what's up with you?
My hair.
What?
That's what's up. It's sticking up. That's so crazy, bro.
Wait, well, I gotta read it. I ain't gonna lie, look. I just got released from jail, and I did things that I know I can't talk about. And, how would you feel if a man did some things in jail that,
Wait, real quick, huh?
how do you feel if a man did things in jail that, wasn't really the correct way to do stuff? Like, do. How would you feel? Those are
Honestly,
things.
I don't even know.
No, because, I got released from jail, right? And I did things to other, you know, and I can't talk about that. So how would you
Other
feel?
boys, girls.
No, it was niggas. I was in jail, so it was with niggas. I went to jail for public indecency.
I don't even know what that is.
You don't know what that means? You don't know what that means? Alright. I'm not gonna lie, it's bad. It's bad. It's bad. I'm not gonna lie. I can't really tell you what public indecency means because they're still, actively looking at me, see if I do that shit again. But,
You lying.
I'm not lying. I'm dead ass. I'm dead ass. I'm dead ass. That's why I can't talk about it. That's why I can't really talk about it to you because you young.
I'm finna go call the popo and they gonna go loco on your ass.
All right? Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. They already on my ass, bro. They already.
What's funny, bro? You start laughing instantly.
All right. I got something to tell you. Don't say this to nobody though. I just came from jail and I did things to men that I can't talk about. But the reason why I went to
You
jail is
said
for
to men?
public indecency.
You said to men?
Huh?
You said to men?
No, I went to jail.
And you said you did things to men?
Yeah, I can't talk about. But I went
Oh,
to
if it's
jail
to
for
men, you're
public
good.
indecency type shit.
I mean, if it was to a man, you're good. I don't really care.
I mean, but you don't get it though. This is hilarious, I swear. Yo,
Hi,
how you doing?
good. How are you?
I'm doing alright.
That's good. Let me see your tattoo.
Oh.
Oh, it's T. It's cute. What?
Don't fucking look at me like that. What the fuck you looking at me like that for? Fix your face. Exactly. I don't know why you acting like that? I was laughing. You learn how to laugh. Yo,
Yeah.
how you doing? Alright, look. How much you want? Cause hey, look. I ain't gonna lie. I got services for $10. I got services for $20, and I got services for $50. How much you need?
50.
Look, I gotta get paid. I don't know what you doing. Like, do we need? Do you want to link and get this? You feel me? Or not? I love doing this. Yo, how you doing?
Bro, you giggling at? What's so funny?
Oh, what's so funny? Um, if I tell you, I'd have to, you know, if I tell you, cause I went to jail recently for public indecency, and
What?
I said I went to jail recently for public indecency, and I did things to, you know, men that I can't really talk about. Yeah, yeah, I did things to, men I can't really talk about, cause I got caught swinging my butt around and running around naked. So they arrested me in front of two cars at a red light, put me on the ground, and took me in the car. And now that I'm
Man,
out,
that's fucked up. They shouldn't have done that to you.
oh
They
no,
should have
they
let you
they they
live
fully
for
enjoyed that. They
you.
laughed the whole time, and the people in the cars were
Bro,
laughing.
how could they fucking try to literally like shield your free spirit like that, bro?
I don't know, but the thing is though, it gets even worse. After I got out, I shit my pants today. How does that happen? Like, how does that happen? Like, how do I? Like, I
Bro,
was running and I couldn't make it, and it just
it just came out, bro.
everywhere.
It's probably because you didn't have no underwear on. It thought it had like a free exit.
It had a free. You said it had a free exit. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the worst luck ever. I mean, I went to jail, came out, shit at my pants. But anyway, you trying to link though?
Bruh, bruh. How you
Be
see I say
100% honest.
so?
After I
Hey,
told you
I went
everything
to
that just
jail.
happened.
I shit my pants. I was
Yeah.
shaking so ass. You
Right.
want to link though?
Right. Yeah. Now think about all that. You still trying to link though? Like after I explain all that, you still trying to link, or would you?
I would, but I have a boyfriend, so I
You
wouldn't.
have a boyfriend. Has he been to jail before for doing
No,
dumb shit? No. Okay. But if you got a boyfriend, what that got to do with me and you?
it gotta do a lot with me and my man. That's right.
But the thing is, hold on. He ain't swinging dick like me though. Let's be honest. Let's be honest.
No, he definitely is. Oh my lord. Oh my lord, he
I don't need an
definitely is.
explanation of why he's swinging dick and the side give it. I don't need it. I was saying that for me, not for you. So
Bro,
yeah.
he literally is. Only dude that's ever made me finish.
Wow. Great. But oh.
Like, and he hits the
Oh.
shit.
I'll prove my point though. I'm gonna prove my point. It's okay. It's okay. When we link, I'll prove my point. I'll prove my point. It's alright though. Oh, okay. Yo,
Yo,
how y'all doing?
good.
Ain't gonna lie, y'all both cute as hell. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all do look good. How old are y'all
Thank
though?
18.
Y'all both eight,
17.
18. So
Now,
who who
now 17.
who's 18?
The
Okay,
one.
okay, okay. What's your name? Yeah, what's your name?
Drea.
Drea. Okay, Drea. Be honest with me. Based on my looks, would you kiss me? Be brutally
Um,
honest. Brutally honest.
I feel like because she knows what my type is.
Oh wait, hold on. What's that type?
You asking me?
Yeah, I guess he said you know her type.
What the fuck that got to do with me?
Okay. My phone.
And with that being said, y'all, that's the end of the video. You can turn your TVs down. Don't turn them off just yet, though. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn your post notifications on to let me know if you want to see more videos like this. I'm out, y'all. Peace.